It's Furby Freak 04 and today I'm going to unbox a Skelita Calaveras. I do not know how to say that stuff, but whatever. Let's just open it. And here's the information. Pause that if you want to read it. Pause that if you want to read it. So trying to open this. This is so hard. Okay. What the heck does this say? It says Skelita Calaveras. So, let's open this up. Okay, sorry, I had to put it down. It's just so hard to get this thing out. God. I'm gonna have to do the bottom too. Ugh. Okay. Oh look, it says Skelita Calaveras again. Okay. So, I'm gonna put a cooler. I got this part out of the box. Whoopoo. Okay, so I just want to fill this real quick because it looks weird. So let's get this thing out. It says, this sketchbook belongs to Skelita Calaveras. So let's see what's in it because it's a sketchbook. So there's a bunch of writing. You can pause it if you want to read it. And here's this page. Okay, the next page is this. Huh? That's a sugar skull thing. That's her favorite food. That's what she said. If you've heard of those things. There's another. It's like she's like designing this. Her sketchbook is like a design book. Whatever you call it. And some more stuff. I think it's like one language. No. Or just saw the first thing. And then more writing and that. And that's the end. And on the back it says Skelita and a little picture of her and her pretty hair. Yeah. And that's her family. So that was that. And let's bring in the scissors. Boom. It's out. Okay, I'm so weird. So right now I'm taking the stand out. I wonder why there's a man or whoever that is. They're like walking around. Scarus. Because that's what this box says. Scarus City of Frights. I don't really know if this is an original though. It's just, I don't know. I don't really think so. I guess it's not. kind of confusing me. So, here's a little suitcase. I don't really get why she needs a suitcase, but suitcase, place, and a little pouch, fake pouches things, and then little wheels to roll it around. And it's like, oh gosh, a thing. I don't know how to explain it. Here's the handle, and you just push it down, up, down, up, down, up, down. I like this thing, it's cool. So, her brush, and she doesn't come with the pets. That's another reason why I don't think she's an original doll. It's just, I got confused because she has a little book, and she has information on the back, so I don't know. I don't know what she is, so whatever. But then it says Scaris, so it's like a type, so that can't be an original doll. I don't know. Confusing. If you really know what this doll is, if it's an original, you should please tell me, because I really don't know. I'm confused. I'm going to set it down for a minute because I don't want to cut her outfit. Ugh. Okay, now I'm going to take her head out. I'm just going to do it off camera to be easier. Okay, I got her out of the box. Let me put her on her stand before I pick up the camera again. Okay, let me make this stand. Okay, almost done. Gotta put her on the stand. Ugh. Come on, seriously. What the crap? Sorry, here, I'll show you. There's like, I don't know, there's this plastic thing under her shirt. If you can see, ew, and her skeleton, ew. Should I like take that out? It's like squishy, and like you can feel it. Oh gosh. I think I know why the plastic thing is there. It's trying to make her little body a shape, cause if you really feel down here, it's the here, let me take her. It's kind of like gone, but not really. Kind of, oh gosh, I'm stupid. Oh, there, you see? That's what I was trying to say. It's like gone, and this thing's trying to make her shape. I get it. I don't know if I should take that off. I don't know. Should I? Okay, that's another thing y'all could tell me in the comments. Should I take the plastic thing off? Huh? I don't know. Let me just put her on her stand if I can do it with the plastic thing off. It just feels weird and it's harder to put the thing on. And this is weird. This skeleton girl, it's just, she's different, so let's just say that. Okay. I got her on. She's actually kind of pretty. It's just her nose. I like her hair. Little curls. And her fingers are like squishy. They're usually not like that. Here. Example. Rebecca's skin. They're hard. You can see I'm squeezing them. Hers. It barely moves. Okay, this video is stinking long. I gotta get this over with. It's all because of that stupid plastic thing. Okay, so this is what she looks like. I love her shoes. And then the back. I didn't do a view of that, but whatever. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. Bye.